An Advice to Ezigbo Umu Chineke by Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest update. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. If this is the first time you're stopping by this YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. In this channel, we do Biafra latest updates, breaking news about IPOB and its leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Here is an advice sent to the Ezigbo Umu Chineke by Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. I read, if by now the hardcore believers in our strength of character are still unaware of the fact that millions of naira has been deployed to boost the infiltrators' exploits in their suicide mission, both online and offline, then you have to be properly guided. You may not realize that men are really at work here. The mission is simple: destroy them. Create more confusion for them. Do it under the pretense that you are a part of them, so that the gullibles among them can fall for the tricks. Please, Umu Chineke, stop indulging them or clapping for them because they are on a special mission. You can easily identify these marauders, because by their fruits you shall know them. But by virtue of my position as the lead counsel to Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I easily separate the wheat from the chaff. They did it in 2015/2016, but I surmounted them single-handedly. I am very familiar with the game and style of their dancing steps, but their evil plans are already dead on arrival. They can't go far. It is to be noted, therefore, that in this critical moment, peace and discipline in capital letters should be ultimate guide. What we crave for is your prayers only. Be assured that we in the legal team cannot be distracted at all, because we don't share the same evil mission with these infiltrators. Our mission is simple: Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's freedom within the shortest possible time. Thankfully, the Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama is speedily working it out, and it shall all end in praises. He say at Ejiofor Bar. End of letter. So, my fellow Biafrans, you've heard the encouragement Barrister Ejiofor has brought out. He said, yes, it's true, because of all what is happening right now, the commotion about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu broadcasting from the DSS custody, the sit-at-home suspension. A lot of people are writing all sorts of things. He made it clear that among these people, there are infiltrators, and their mission is simple. Their mission is for them to get infiltrated in the Biafran land, to get infiltrated in the IPOB and set commotion and set confusion. And very few will know their tactics. So he struggled to bring it out that how do you take to know these people's tactic. He said when you actually do kind of an underground backup or check up on them, you will see that their mission is clear. That Biafrans should not get distracted by these infiltrators. That Biafrans should not be misled by these infiltrators. That the sole mission is for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to get out of the DSS custody as early as possible. And he also affirmed that Chukwu Okike Abiyama is speedily doing it on its own. So the only thing they need from us is prayers, support, and be guided to not be misled or confused by these infiltrators. Because they say, together we stand, divided we fall. So the mission of these infiltrators amongst us is to set commotion. When it sets commotion and confusion sets in, people will start having divided minds, and that is how it's gonna start. The downfall is gonna start that way. So for us to be discipline, and continue being guided and praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only way to stay focused on the mission, focused on the goal, and indeed it shall all end in praises. I don't know what you think about this video. I want you to write on the comment section what you think about the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your post notification. Share it with your friends and family. Let them know that this is what is happening. I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. Stay blessed. One love.